Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to customize invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and receipts in Xero. Every document your business sends says something about your business. An invoice doesn't just request payment. A quote builds confidence. A purchase order creates structure. A receipt confirms professionalism. If those documents look generic, inconsistent, or unclear, it quietly weakens trust. Begin by logging into your Xero account and opening the main dashboard. From the top navigation area, click Sales. Under the Sales area, choose Sales Settings. Once Sales Settings opens, locate Invoice Settings under the Sales section and click it. What you'll see there. You'll usually find existing branding themes such as standard/default templates, previously created custom themes, layout options. These themes control how your business documents look when sent or exported. To create your own version, click New Branding Theme. Why branding themes matter? A branding theme lets you design a reusable identity across documents. Instead of editing each invoice manually, you create one system that applies repeatedly. This saves time and keeps everything consistent. What can you customize? Once inside the branding theme setup, you can usually adjust items such as name of theme, example, main brand, wholesale clients, premium services, international customers. Useful if you run multiple customer types. Page size. Common options may include A4, letter, regional print sizes. Choose based on where your customers are and how documents are usually printed. Logo/brand identity. You may be able to upload your business logo. This helps documents feel official and recognizable. Colors. Adjust headings, accents, or theme colors to match your brand identity. Use restraint. Clean professionalism beats loud decoration. Fonts/formatting. Depending on current Xero options, you may be able to control text presentation or layout behavior. Payment terms. Some templates allow default due dates or payment wording. Examples, due on receipt, net 7, net 30. Contact information. Ensure your business details are correct. Business name, address, email, phone, tax IDs if needed. Footer notes. Useful for thank you messages, refund policies, bank transfer instructions, terms and conditions. How this applies to more than invoices. Even though you entered through invoice settings, many branding structures influence or relate to quotes, purchase orders, receipts, other transaction documents depending on account features. Quotes. A quote should feel polished and confidence building. Good customization helps prospects trust pricing before they buy. Purchase orders. These are internal/vendor facing documents. Customization helps suppliers clearly identify your company and order expectations. Receipts. Receipts should feel clear and official. They reassure customers that payment was received correctly. Smart branding strategy. Use one clean professional theme unless you truly need multiple. Too many themes create inconsistency. Use multiple only if you have real distinctions, such as retail versus wholesale, domestic versus international, separate business divisions. To summarize, customizing invoices, quotes, purchase orders, and receipts in Xero begins by logging into your account, navigating to sales, and opening sales settings.
Inside Invoice Settings, you can view existing standard or active branding themes and create a new one by selecting New Branding Theme. From there, you can customize elements such as the theme name, page size, logo, branding appearance, business details, and payment-related information. These settings help shape how invoices and related documents are presented to customers and suppliers. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.